More drama as Temp family member reveals Arca was having an affair with Darles's baby mama. More shocking revelations about Arca and Nelly's toxic relationship have emerged. During Mac G's podcast, one of Nell's relatives sent an email mentioning all the bad things that happened between the two before Nelly died in Cape Town. Mac G reads the email to the listeners, and here are some of the mentioned things. Hi, my name is Anonymous from Temp Family MKZN. I am writing this to you hope and prayer that you will tell the truth. I feel hurt and disappointed by the Nelly situation. I feel we cannot simply ignore nor tell the truth. Nelly was suffering in her relationship. She struggled with cheating and abuse from Arca. It started last year in 2020 when she mentioned that she tried to take her life after finding out he was sleeping with other women. What really shook Nelly was when she found out sexual messages of Arca and Darles's baby mama. She was devastated and it broke her heart. Arca was having an affair with Aurea, Darles's baby mama, who is still in a relationship with Darles. Kiernan sent Aurea R20K to silence Aurea after she was feeling guilty and wanted to confess the truth to her man. Nelly found out about the communication and she called Darles. This resulted in Arca and Darles not speaking to each other. The email also reveals that this was the reason Darles cancelled shooting a video with Arca. The two rappers are in bad books, and instead of owning up, Arca blamed Nelly. The issue of introducing Nelly to drugs is also mentioned. The family member claims Nelly was passed away and she could not handle the abuse from Kiernan. All reasons for Nell's death are being rested on Arca by this anonymous family member. Lastly, the family member wants the police and other investigating agencies to get Nelly's phone because all evidence is there. The Arca and Nelly toxic relationship details keep emerging, and it is surely painting Arca as the bad guy and cause for all that has happened to date. The days are surely dark for Kiernan.